Dr. B.L. Narsaya, retired from the Geological Survey of India after more than 3 decades of service in various fields like minerals and their research, etc. As minerals are very useful materials, he has continued interest from his latter research studies till date. In view of the demand for minerals and industrial and high-tech fields and the year 2019 as International Year of Celebrations of the First Periodic Table by Mendeleev, data of elements is put in a book form with the title of Periodic Table in commemoration of the celebrations. The book is inaugurated at the Getam University in the same year and quiz conducted at other local colleges. The author's interest thereupon propelled to give something of use to engineering students and those preparing for examination to give them a sense of grip and preparedness. A prepared mind in relevant fields faces a situation, be it an interview or profession. This attempt is towards that aim. Almost 150 questions, all centering on elements, are provided by the author with answers. The author prepared periodic table book with multiverse and data. The AVNU channel introduced this book with other voice as part 1. In part 2, detailed 150 questions and answers are indicated for convenience. AVNU channel, Visakhapatnam. 3.
Okay. How many important elements major enter into life? 6. Who discovered hydrogen? Cavendish. Name one liquid metal. Mercury. What halogen occurs widely in seaweeds and in the marine domain? Bromine. What is the formula of DDT? C6H4Cl 2 CHCCl3. Name isotopes of hydrogen. Deuterium and tritium. Name the element which goes into explosives. Nitrogen or phosphorus. What is the noble gas following chlorine? Argon. What halogen is recovered from seaweeds? Bromine. What is the atomic number of the last discovered element in the modern physics, and the element is in the microscopic dimension? What is the atomic number? That is 118. Now we start the quiz. This is the type of quiz that I have posed out in every college or institute where I conducted some seminars and tests for the students, and students were given prizes and their marks were the base. Now also all of you can follow the questions, follow the answers and make a test for yourself. Say out of 10 or out of 20 how many you are able to correctly give the answer and assess your own percentage. This is technically a ratio of almost all the elements and with critical properties and many things associated with the elements. The first question. What is the first noble gas? Helium. How many periods are there in the periodic table? 7. Who discovered the element polonium? Curie. How many electrons go into the F shell? 14. What is the atomic number of uranium? 92. Name one of the alkalic elements which enters water. Cesium and lithium. What is the element below zirconium? Hafnium. Which element was discovered during solar eclipse? Helium. Which metal with carbon makes the hardest substance? Wolfram. What is the hardness of diamond? 10. What is the name of Mendeleev's eka-boron? Scandium. What light metal goes into airplane wings? Aluminium. Who discovered isotopes? Soddy. What is the last naturally occurring element? Uranium. Name one element which has allotropes. Sulfur, carbon. How many elements are there in the platinoid group? 6. How many elements occur in the native state? 3. How many elements are total in the periodic table? 118. What is the element below cesium? Francium. What is the atomic number of lead? 82. Which element has 4s2 outer electron shell structure? Calcium. Which elements are not there on the earth? Technetium and promethium. Which element is more abundant in India and radioactive? Thorium. Name an element which is named after a continent. Europium. Name an element named after the father of the theory of relativity. Einsteinium. Which columns include the transition group? 3 to 12. What is the first element of the actinides? Actinium or thorium. How many isotopes are there for oxygen? 3. Which isotope is used in dating younger events by isotopic techniques? Carbon 14. Which nutrient element is in bananas? Potassium. What is the most dominant element for Earth as a whole? Iron. What is the state of matter of material at the Earth's core? Liquid. Iron and nickel. Name the only element which starts with Z. Zirconium. What is the formula of heavy water? H3O. What is the value of the highest density? More than 22. What is the element with the highest abundance in the universe? Hydrogen. Who separated many alkalic elements by electrolysis? Davy. Which element on earth is more abundant average wise? Cerium or copper? Cerium. In which year Thomson discovered an electron? 1897. What is the first halogen? Fluorine. Name 2 occurring radioactive elements in the actinide series. Thorium and uranium. What is the element with 1s2 structure? Helium. What is the element between uranium and thorium? Protoactinium. Name one volatile substance. Water vapor. What is the group name oxygen family? Chalcogens. What is the atomic number of the first transition group element which is a metal? 21, that is scandium. What is the formula of sodium chloride? NaCl. What is the meaning of alchemy? Artificial conversion to gold. Name one least chemically reactive metal. Gold. What is the light metal as an example? Aluminium. How many are there noble gases? 6. In which country most of the rare earth elements came to be discovered? Sweden. What is the most non-metallic element? Fluorine. Which will form molecular compounds, metals or non-metals? Non-metals. Which has more dissolved constituents, river waters or ocean waters? Ocean waters. How many elements or metals are there in the platinoid group? 6. Name the element with the highest density. Osmium. Name two precious group metals, gold and silver. The quiz continues. How many elements make the noble gases column? 6. What is the last halogen? Astatine. Which is the most electronegative element? Fluorine. Who discovered X-rays? Rontgen. Name one element in the platinoid group. Platinum, iridium, osmium. How many are total elements of the periodic table as on today? 118. Which elements do not occur naturally on Earth? Technetium and promethium. Transition group elements belong to which block from quantum? D block. What is the first element of the actinide group below in the periodic table? Thorium. What is the radioactive isotope of carbon? C14. What is the most dominant element of the Earth as a whole, including Earth's top, bottom and interior? That is iron. What is formula of heavy water? D2O. What is the highest density of any element? Above 22, that is osmium. What is the element between thorium and uranium? Protoactinium. What is the group name for the oxygen family? Chalcogens. What is the first element alphabetically? Actinium. What is the first noble gas? Helium. How many periods are there in the long form periodic table? 7. What is the year of discovery of electron? 1897. Who discovered that the mass of an atom is in the nucleus? Rutherford. Who discovered the element uranium? Martin Klaproth. Give the name of one uranium ore, pitch blende. What is the atomic number of radium? 88. What rare earth element is used in supermagnets? Neodymium. Which element is used in windows for X-ray tubes? Beryllium. Which element is used as absorber of neutrons? Boron. Who discovered thorium? Berzelius. Who discovered cerium? Berzelius. Name an alkalic element which goes into water. Cesium. Name one rare earth mineral. Monazite. What is the element below zirconium? Hafnium. Which element was discovered in the solar eclipse? Helium. Which element is used as a liquid coolant in nuclear work? Sodium. Which element is recovered by Dow process? Magnesium. Who discovered phosphorus? Henning Brand, 1669. Who discovered oxygen? Priestley. What is the hardness of diamond? 10. What light metal goes into airplane wings? Aluminium. Bronze is an alloy of which metals? Copper and tin. Which element comes below aluminium? Gallium. Which element comes below silicon? Germanium. What is the modern name of Eka boron? Scandium. Who discovered isotopes? Soddy. What is the meaning of the word iodis? Violet-like. What is the second metal in the periodic table? Beryllium. What is the atomic number of tin? 50. What is Planck's constant? 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule seconds. What is Rydberg constant? 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 8 joules. How many columns are there in the periodic table? 18. What is the last naturally occurring element? Uranium. Name an element which has allotropes, carbon. Which rare earth element is used in MRI scans? Gadolinium.